Good day. Welcome back. Good to have you here. Today we're going to look at how to clean a laundry washing machine filter. That's right. Filters have to be cleaned once a while. If this task is missed, it could result in moldy smelling clothes, washing cycles producing errors, etc., etc. Let's see how it's done. Follow me. This is a Samsung model washing machine. Here's the filter. This is your axis. Look at that. Look at that. Need a towel. Water's coming. Give it a wash. And nice and clean. And insert it back in. Boom. Thank you for watching another handy dandy episode. If you liked it or found it useful or both, give it a like, subscribe, and what have you. Much appreciated. Until next time, good day.